Hey gang, we've been trying to deal with more of our friction problems. You see here, here's the what we call the tuning fork, and then here's the center box where we have all those bevel gears that you like, and we're trying to fix friction up in here. So here's some examples of ideas that didn't work. The trick here is to figure out if you can spot what doesn't work about these designs, because we bandy these back and forth and do lots of sanity checks, and it's some really fun stuff here. The problem is that some of them, they lean out of off axis, or they won't stay where we put them, and things like that. Here's another idea that might have worked, except there's no way that we could cleanly print the fork part. This looked really good for a while, but again, not sure how to print it, and there's nothing stopping that bevel gear from sliding up and down. And right now we're looking at something like this, but our challenge is going to be finding this outside bearing. We got these two, and we got this one up here, but this guy is not available. Anyways, I'll see you next time.